Andy. Short interview lang, Andy.
Very short.
Very emotional ka.
Hi! Hello! Long time.
Nice to see you again. Okay, very emotional ka. Nakikita ka kanina, you were in tears na naririnig mo. How does it feel na receiving this? Sabi mo nga, hindi mo gustong tanggapin yun.
Syempre, it just happened very recently. So, special tributes like that about my mom really obviously touched me. Even seeing those things about her naman when she was still alive. Kasi I've always been proud of my mom. I've always been my mom's biggest fan. Although, in private, diba? But yeah, I watch and I'm always behind her with all of these things that she goes through in her career.
Okay.
So, nakaka-proud mo.
So, nanggaling ka from Siargao, bumiyahe for this award? Or andito
yeah,
ka
well, nagkataon lang kasi I came to Manila to be with my family for her 40 days.
Yes.
So, and then, this happened just days after that. So, naghintay na lang ako, nag-stay na lang ako para maka-attend at matanggap yung parangal para sa akin.
How are you now? Medyo natatanggap mo na ba?
Mahirap syempre, pero kailangan tanggapin. Slowly, I hope maybe I will get there. But I know that she's proud of me. I know that she loves me and her grandchildren. And so I will just focus on the good things. I will focus on my family.
Ellie especially is nakita namin in your boy and girl. Kamusta sila na wala na si Lola?
Nakakatuwa na parang nakaka-touch na yung dalawa kong younger children, which is si Lilo and si Koa, without having to explain, parang naiintindihan nila yung sitwasyon. Pero parati rin nilang hinahanap si nanay. Parati kasi kami nagmamanila, so parang nagtataka sila, nasan si nanay? Or pupunta ba tayo sa bahay ni nanay? Pero feeling ko ngayon parang medyo naiintindihan nila somehow, which is weird, you know, like kasi bata pa. But I'm proud of Ellie, who is now 12 years old, because mas deeper na yung understanding niya doon. I do know that she's sad and grieving too, but she's very strong, and it's nice to see and hear the nice things that she says to remember my mom.
Okay. Saan mo itatago mo ba yung mga trophies na na-receive niya throughout her career?
Yes, nakatago lang yun sa bahay niya. So, syempre ayusin ko lang yun. Hindi ko yun. Like, walang gagawin sa kanya. Diyan lang siya. Saan siya nararapat.
Okay. And kamusta ang life mo sa Siargao? We have a business, you have a home there. Kamusta?
Okay naman, masaya. Yun nga lang, sayang hindi na nakarating si nanay. Pero, nandun na ang buhay ko. Yun na ako. I love my life there, and I'm just happily raising my family there.
You don't need the recognition that your mom is getting. Hindi ka ba na-inspired na bumalik?
Hindi naman, kahit na nung buhay pa si nanay, siya naman yung dahilan kung bakit ako nagkaroon ng interest sa pag-arte at sa paggawa ng pelikula. It's because of her passion for it. You know, literally burning passion for it. And like what I said, I've always been a big fan of my mom. So, hindi naman rin nawala yung interest ko sa pag-arte. Pero ngayon kasi mas nangingibabaw yung kagustuhan ko na palakihin yung mga anak ko at to be around my family on the island na iba ang environment.
But you're not closing your door?
No. I feel like ang nahirapan ako was being young in showbiz, pero yung pag-usapan natin yung paggawa ng pelikula or pag-arte, hindi ko naman kahit kailan sinara ang pinto ko din. Siguro naghihintay lang ng pagkakataon.
Sabi nga, never say never.
Never say never.
Randy, how does it feel being surrounded by, the industry?
Sinabi ko rin po ito nung week ni Nanay, medyo kakaiba yung pakiramdam. Parang panaginip ulit na makita lahat ng mga tao na nakita akong lumaki. Sila yung naging buhay ko, but I feel like my mom's passing also made me realize how, how much a whole part of me, how big of who I am is this industry. I was born into this industry and yun, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Pero it doesn't mean na gusto kong bumalik. Kasi masaya na yung buhay ko sa Siargao.
What will make you come back if you ever?
Actually, hindi ko rin masasagot yan. I guess the perfect, just the right timing and story. May mga like nag-aalok like kung interesado and sinasabi ko lang palagi ko sinasabi depende.
Ani last na, banggit ni Gabby sa isang interview na if ever may wedding plans na siya raw maglalakad sa'yo sa aisle. May wedding plans na.
Supposedly, we wanted to get married this year. But, under these circumstances, we just decided to wait it out a bit because para sana kay nanay yun eh.